Very happy Independence Day to all of you present here. Today is the most auspicious day for the people of India, as today we got independence from British rule, and every year it is celebrated with huge enthusiasm. But this year something is different. We are not physically together with each other to celebrate this day. But this doesn't reduce our enthusiasm, because today we are celebrating it virtually with the same joy and a hope that India will also fight with this pandemic and soon we'll be free. So I, Divya Anjali, a student of class 11th A, is here to recite a poem titled Where the Mind is Without Fear by Rabindranath Tagore. It is a pre-independence poem in which the poet urges to God to awake his fellow beings for the realization that the essential need to live in a free and united country. He wants his countrymen to awake and enjoy the life full of dignity and honor. So here it goes. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come up from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where clear stream of reason has not lost its way into dreary desert land of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. By Rabindranath Tagore. Independence Day is the day not only to engage in celebrations but also to remember each and every who made to make this day possible. At last, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you so much.